For half a century, Cubic Transportation Systems has been at the forefront of public transit innovation. From cutting-edge ticketing to advanced traffic management, we're shaping the future of urban mobility. Here in Anaheim, we are joined by visionaries from across the industry, working together to transform public transit. As we look ahead, the excitement builds for the 2028 Olympics in Los Angeles. Cubic is proud to be part of the preparations, ensuring frictionless mobility for millions. Visit us at Booth 100 and let's shape tomorrow's transit today.